Today is a big day for our company as we are opening the new facility here in South Carolina.
Halton Group started in the USA in the early 1980s. We started selling products, and then in the end of the 80s we set up the first manufacturing location.
This wonderful Anderson facility is our third manufacturing plant in the US.
North America is our biggest market already. It is #1 market in the world, and we want to be very strong here in the future.
Next point for us to accelerate the growth here in USA and the surrounding markets is to have our own manufacturing facility to support our customers here locally. This location here enhances our service and delivery capability and gives us the great platform to grow. We are introducing all of our products that we have for marine energy and infrastructure. In the coming months and years, we'll be covering all the products and also creating new innovations here in Anderson.
This is a new growth platform for this specific Halton Marine Energy Infrastructure, MEI, strategic business area. So this is the foundation for the growth in the USA that we truly plan to build on for the years and decades to come.
Expectations for the growth are huge and opportunities for future for many people to come and join us to work here in Anderson.
USA has a very special part in my heart. It is very exciting to get to this new stage of growth.